Everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome and thank you so much. If you are returning, thank you very much. A girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, come on, you know what to do. Go on and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, true to my word, okay, if you don't know what I'm talking about, check my previous video or my Instagram live, okay? Today we're going to be unboxing something new on this channel. Now, that is the BEEM box. Look at this pigment on this box. Look at this melanin on this box, okay? True to my word, all right? Now, for those of you who are not really familiar with the BEEM box, I'm just going to read from my tablet here some information from them. And it says, BEEM from within. The BEEM box is a beauty subscription box unlike any other. We curated and sourced the best beauty products for women of color. With each box, you'll receive beauty-related items that fit darker shades, deeper pigments, and unique undertones. How about that? Okay. The BEEM box is a every other month subscription box, okay? And I will tell you, the shipping on this box was amazing. I ordered it one day. I ordered it on Tuesday. It was shipped on Wednesday, and I had it by Friday, okay? Now, their setup is very easy. They have been featured in magazines such as Vogue and Cosmo and Elle, and it has even been listed on Cratejoy. So you can go and check it out and see some reviews and whatnot for it if you would so desire. Now, the value of each box is between $80 and $100. After I've told you all of that, I'm sure you want to know what the cost is for this every other month subscription box. It is $39.95. It renews automatically, but of course you can cancel at any time. Now we're going to check it out and see if this is going to be something that is Seasoned Beauties worthy, okay? So I have to admit, I really do love what this box looks like, okay? Now I just want to love everything on the inside of this box as much as I love what the outside of this box looks like. So when we open it up, across the bottom it says, well, across the front it says BEEM from within. And we open it up, and of course it does have the tissue paper protecting, and then there's a description card. This one says, your BEEM box has arrived. I'm ready for my close-up. And it says, want to win a free box? Post a video or picture on Instagram with the hashtag the BEEM box win. One winner in every 50 entries. Okay, now let's see what $39.95 got us. Okay, now the first item that we have is by Beauty. Okay, and just in case you didn't know, this is a Black-owned company, okay? And this one says, the Boss Gloss Lip Gloss combines the shine of a gloss, the long wear of a stain, and the care of a lip spa. The long-lasting formula soaks the lips with bold color in one stroke for a glass-like finish. So let's check it out. Oh, how about the packaging, y'all? Let's take a moment for the packaging. And the shade that I have is called Rose. And this is the shade Rose, which is beautiful, I might add. Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this product is $22. The next product we have is by Bodyography. And this is a lip liner, and it says an antioxidant lip pencil that glides on like your favorite lipstick with precise pigment-rich color to frame, fill in, and define lips, enriched with coconut oil and vitamin E. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this product is $14. Okay, and the shade that I have is Black Currant. Not bad at all. This is Black Currant. All right, then our next product is by Cargo Cosmetics, and this is the Laguna Blush. It says a cult favorite, silky smooth buildable powder blush that creates a naturally flushed look. Sheer powder glides over the skin for a nearly undetectable natural finish. Customize your color intensity by applying in layers until you reach the desired look. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $26, and this color is gorgeous. Okay. Well, I know it's not going to come out like this normally because I would be using my brush, but here is the blush. Okay, and I like it. Definitely like it. The next item that we have, you know what? This is true to form for subscription boxes, and I'm not mad at it. But the next item we have is a face mask. And this is by Tony Moly. It says, replenish your skin with our I'm Real Sheet Mask collection. The 3-layer sheet soaked in essence to yield maximum hydration for your skin. Transform dull and tired skin into healthy, moisturized skin in as little as 20 minutes, okay? And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this item is $5. Now, there's some information on here, but because this is my first box, I'm coming across some things I'm truly feeling. I'm trying to get through all the products first, then I'll tell you. So then, the last item that we have is a palette. And this is by Wanderlust Beauty. And this is the Queen Eyeshadow Palette. This 15-pan eyeshadow palette, accurately named Queen, has vibrant and deeply pigmented shades that embody the look of royalty. Combine shades for an alluring look. Now, the packaging is gorgeous. Has a woman of color on the cover. I do like that the palette is sealed. I don't know if you can see that it is is completely taped here. Oh my. Now, inside of this palette, there are some pressed glitters, there are some shimmers, there are some mattes, and these are some gorgeous shades. It does have a mirror. Here are the shades in this palette. Look at that. And I haven't even taken the cover off, and you can see just how gorgeous these shades are. Now, shall we swatch? Now, I don't know if this is because of the brand, which I'm gathering it must be, but the plastic covering is glued. Look at that. Onto this palette. I love that. The shades do not have names, but that does not stop the beauty in them at all. All right, look at this. Oh, they are gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm looking forward to using this palette. Okay, so I did say to you that there were some things about this that I really like, and I want to share it with you. Now, on their card, there is a rubric, and this rubric tells us that there are women-owned brands, cruelty-free, and vegan. How about that? Look at that. I'm very, very impressed. I am liking this box already, and I haven't tried on one product. I like what I see. I like the way it has been presented, and I definitely love the look of the box. So these are the contents of our very first, I believe this is the June-July box. It may very well be the May-June box. However, these are the contents of this box, and the manufacturer suggested retail price of all of these products down below. Now, I am very, very serious about deciding exactly where I spend my money, okay? Now, if we don't matter to these companies enough for them to represent us in their hiring practices, in their servicing packages, then I need to take my money somewhere where I am appreciated and represented. And that is exactly what I will be doing. First stop right here. So I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. And remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.